John. Ken, come on in. And I need to tell you a story here, and Sue. As you know, I met Ken and John both in college when we were in a fraternity. And they pledged under me to become part of Phi Sigma Epsilon. And during pledging, you have to learn lots of stuff about the fraternity before you become a fully active member. And one of the things that we used to do at these meetings, every once a week, they'd have a meeting, they call them pledge meetings or shit meetings. And we'd give them all kinds of shit while they're trying to take their test. And among those, the things that we would do, somebody somewhere once upon a time had this golden bird. It was a little statue that we used to just call the golden bird of worthiness. And the thing was hysterical. That was 30 years ago. And Ken's one thing he always wanted was that golden bird of worthiness. He always wanted to earn it.
You remember that?
The golden bird of worthiness.
We weren't allowed to look at it.
You're not worthy. Keep your eyes down. Well, we couldn't do the golden bird of worthiness, so we had to go with the next best thing. So here's the first one. This would be in honor of the Hoot Owl Association. We could not find the golden bird of worthiness, so we went with the waxen owl of wisdom. For your 5 decades of learning in life, it's the next best thing. So this is your waxen owl of wisdom.
And the slag.
Secondly, be careful with these.
When you were a caveman, your slag.
One of the
under my bridge. Come on.
representative of longevity here is the evergreen tree. It's green all year round, and what better symbol of that than the golden pine cones of worthiness to represent longevity, that you can have another 50 years, and we can do this all in another 50 years.
You'd be there for that.
So it would. So although we couldn't bring the golden bird of worthiness to you, I know that you've sought it all these years, and it meant a lot. We got you the golden cones of worthiness, as well as the waxen owl of wisdom.
Thank you.
I can bring all the kids out here?
No, it's just...
I'm going to bring them all. Everything.
He's taping this right now.
Wait a minute. I don't know if Trey knows about this. Now, this was a meeting. This is the international chapter. Mr. Donamici was there, and
John Sandwell was there, and Don Donamici was there.
Right. And they voted. These guys are kind of like have you ever seen Twilight? You know, like the
national officers.
Yeah.
national officers. And they decided that, again, you are actually
Worthy of the bird.
After all these years, John dug it up. We did find the golden bird of worthiness.
won it by just like a Supreme Court vote, one vote. And they
30 after all these years, we thought we could make it a traveling trophy and get it in your hands, because we know that it was a highly sought after.
I think I hate you guys.
You get to keep that for 1 year and then pass
And
it
then
on to
find
the
a way of
Back to
getting
you?
it to someone else.
That'll bring you good luck.
white elephant.
Good luck and prosperity. And you have to read this card out loud, though.
Yeah. All right. Oh my God, he really is 50.
Yeah.
He needs them.
Top 10 reasons to be great to be Ken at 50. His underwear is $10 for a 3-pack, and they're not even burlap. The older you are, the more you fart. He doesn't have to get out of the shower to pee.
Oh my God, that's so true. Oh, we used to do that. He doesn't anymore because I yell at him.
He can finally cut back to 6-hour work week. 3 pairs of shoes are more than enough. His Chain of Lakes lumber customers still don't know what a rusty nail is.
That's the best one.
You gotta teach.
He can still recite the Greek alphabet. I could do that.
Yeah, I bet you can.
Let's hear it.
Alphabet again. Nobody screwed me up.
13th is new, right?
Yeah.
He can't get by with one hairstyle change every 10 years.
He can. You can.
Oh, he can.
Time to get new
I need to
glasses.
get a new optometrist.
Yeah, good job.
If a fraternity brother shows up at a party with inside jokes, you just say it's a Phi Sig thing.
And the number one reason,
How'd you get that?
I'm resourceful.
Troll is the name of the past.
That
Happy
was the
birthday,
number
Ken.
one reason.
Wow, thank you guys.
All right.
Don't drop the bird.
Congratulations.
You
No
dropped
kidding,
that.
man.
The golden bird of Worthiness.
All right.
That's
Sorry,
now,
that's our
hey,
50.
now, listen, Ann, that has to go, maybe not the owl, but that's got to go somewhere just pristine, prestigious
I
spot.
saw a couple of
right
curio
on the
cabinets that
mantle.
it'll go right there.
That's the,
It might go right on the nightstand next to the bed.
that's the,
Oh, man.
Until the
there you go. Yeah, yeah. Am I worried? See, in white pants she
Hey,
does that.
congrats.
That's sign of a good woman. Yeah.
All right. Hey.
Appreciate it.
Swagger's once, swagger's twice, holy jumping Jesus Christ, goddamn son of a bitch, oh shit!
Hey guys, thank you.